show you how to pair or connect your Beats Studio Buds directly to your iPhone. So very simple. So first thing you got to do is just go ahead and have your iPhone close by, and then what you want to do is open the lid up, make sure both buds are in. As soon as you open it, it should be a blinking white light. So if you get that and this window here pops up, just simply tap on connect, and then once you do that, you should be able to see the battery percentage you have on the earbuds as well as the case itself. So you can see 100% earbuds and 96% on the case. Okay, so let me just go ahead and click on continue right there. So I'm currently connected, okay? And then also you have to make sure you turn your Bluetooth on, okay? Anyway, once I go here, you can see it's connected, the Beats Studio Buds right here. If I tap on that eye, you'll be able to see the battery percentage on here as well. And you can go ahead and look through the settings. Now, here's the thing. Let me go ahead and forget this device. And then let's say you go ahead and try to pair it and that little window doesn't pop up. So if you pop this up here, and the window doesn't pop up here and the white light is not blinking, maybe it's just a white solid light. If that's the case, you can manually put it into pairing mode. Okay, all you got to do is that little button right here. What you want to do is just press and hold for about 5 or 6 seconds and just wait until it starts blinking. Okay, and then if the thing still doesn't pop up, then from here, while it's blinking white, it's in pairing mode. So you can just go to settings, go to your Bluetooth, and now you can go ahead and see if it finds it. There it is, Beats Studio Buds. Let me tap on that right there. And then give it 1 second, and then now we should be connected. Beats Studio Buds, there it is, right there. Right? Pretty simple. Any questions or issues, comment below. Oh yeah, and if you have an issue where you still can't connect, or you have pairing problems, simply just go ahead and do a factory reset, okay? Open it up, make sure both buds are in. That little middle button there, press and hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds until you see the red light blink, and then let go and let it do its factory reset. If you want to know how to do the factory reset, you can look in the link below. I'll show you how to do that as well. Okay, good luck guys.